In today's video, we're gonna talk about 5 basic things you might be doing wrong when dancing salsa. This is mostly a beginner's tutorial, but sometimes we find intermediate dancers that are making the same mistakes. So stay till the end and find if you're making or not these basic mistakes. If you just start dancing salsa, but somehow you're not being able to add flavor to your movement, or you still don't feel comfortable with your basics, put attention on the 5 things I will tell you in this video and unlock the salsa dancer in you. If you're still learning and you don't know the basic steps you need to know to start dancing salsa, I will leave you a video in the description box so you can learn the 5 basic steps you need to know to start dancing salsa. The most common mistake beginners dancers make is lifting the legs really high, higher than it should be. You shouldn't be lifting your leg like this. So what we're gonna do, think about just moving your leg to the sides or backwards or forward, but don't think about raising your leg. Of course I'm raising a little bit, but it's really a tiny movement up, it's more to the sides. Instead of, or back, same thing. Instead of, another common mistake that beginners dancers make is to not carry on with the tempo. You know that you should be doing 3 steps when dancing salsa, but the music has another tempo after the 3. If we go with the music like 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, we're kind of making a pause. Don't think about it as a pause, but as a long step. So you should be doing 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. Quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. The mistake comes from making the 3 steps right away the other 3 steps. For example, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. You see, I'm not making a pause, I'm not making a longer step. If you don't make the pause or the long step, then you're not going to be following the music. Okay? So I'm going to do it one more time. Do it with me so you can feel it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. When the 4 comes, it's when you're making the long step or the pause. Okay, so again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes? The third common mistake that is stopping you to have or to add flavor to your dance is to keep your legs straight all the time. You should flex your legs, you should relax your knees, okay? Don't stretch your legs all the way when dancing salsa because this is blocking your hips and is not allowing your hip or your body to move. So look, again, I'm stretching all the way the leg all the time. You see, I just relax when I'm stepping and I'm going up. You see, again, I'm lifting the leg and I'm stretching the leg. So instead of that, you just relax your knees, and you're gonna keep the same level. So you go to the sides, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. And you can see I have more movement and you can have more flavor in your basic. Another common mistake you might be doing if you're starting in the salsa dance, it's to move your back to the back when you're going back. Or when you go with your whole weight to the back, if you're going back. You shouldn't put your weight to the heel. You shouldn't go like this. You shouldn't go like this. And if you're going forward also, you can't keep your weight or your back to the back like this. You can't go forward with your pelvis. You should keep your weight in the same position. So we're gonna fix it. you need to feel your weight going a little bit forward, but your weight is right on top of yourself. Just put your weight in the ball of your feet. Okay, here. You should be able to raise your heels freely, okay? So now you're here, you can feel that your weight is kind of going a little bit forward. This is the position where you're gonna dance in order to avoid going back. So if I go back, look how my weight is still in the ball of my feet. It's not going to the heel. It's not going with the back to the back, okay? So you stay here and here. Yes? If I go forward, it's the same thing. Forward and forward. I'm changing all the weight to the ball of the feet that is going forward, okay? If this video is being helpful to you, please support my channel, give me a comment, give me a like, share with your family or your friends, and of course, and please subscribe to my channel. I will keep uploading videos to help you improve your dance skills, to help you learn new dances, to avoid mistakes that you shouldn't be doing, and much more. Another thing you shouldn't be doing is to lift your feet when you're turning. How? Like this. 1, 2. Yes, that will happen. If you feel at the end that you're falling, you might be doing this. What we're gonna do? We don't wanna kick the persons around us. What you should be doing, and this is how to fix it, you're gonna keep your feet closer to the floor, like if you were kind of rubbing the floor, huh? 1, 2, close to the floor and close to the other foot, and you're gonna walk. So, walk every step. 1, 2, close to the floor, 3. It's easier. 1, 2, 3 again. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay? Those are some of the common mistakes beginners salsa dancers make. So make sure you're not making these mistakes that are stopping you to improve your salsa skills. I hope this video was helpful to find the mistakes you were doing. If it does, please let me know in the comments. Don't forget to share, give me a like. Remember to subscribe to Dancing with Gali to unlock the dancer in you.